this is Tiana here, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Hi, my name's Tiana, if you didn't get that by the name of my channel. So yeah, today I want to do just a day in my life vlog during quarantine. I've been wanting to do this for a while. What time is it now? I think it's like 2 p.m. I woke up at 11. I had like a Zoom meeting with this brand that I've started working with, and I have a training course on Zoom later on today. So yeah, I thought I'd just kind of take you through my day. Yeah, and just kind of see what I do on just a Monday locked up in my house. I've already had breakfast. I've kind of started the vlog late because I was just all over the place this morning. Yeah, I woke up at 11, was literally dying, had the meeting at 11:30, was rushing around to sort out my hair and everything. And I have a Cheers Zoom stretch class in about half an hour, which I'm gonna be getting ready for, which Molly runs, and it's really good. We've been doing it every week. I also did some stretching yesterday. I did a HIIT workout and and stretched, and I'm in a lot of pain, which Molly did warn me about for today's class, so we'll see how that goes. I'll try film some bits for you. I'm trying to get flexible. Oh, that reminds me, got a package from Amazon today, and it is to help with my walkovers, my back bends. So yeah, I'll show you guys me trying to use this. Please pray for me. So right now my bed is an absolute mess. I've just taken my clothes out of the dryer, so I'm just hanging it up now. Yeah, this is what I use for my walkovers. It's Molly's spare mattress. But yeah, and this is where I'll be working out. Okay, so now my room is pretty much tidy. I need to get ready for this class. So, and there we go. So this is what I'll be wearing to the class today, because I get really hot. I don't usually match these together, but I'm always wearing black shorts, and I thought I'd just switch it up a bit. I'm sorry, my hair looks really weird, but yeah, I'm kind of running a little bit late, but I'll skedaddle. Yeah, so my Calvin Klein sports bra, these shorts I literally just got from Primark. Yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so here we were using a stretch band to help make our shoulders more flexible. I don't actually have a stretch band, so I was just using the belt from my robe. So yeah. Okay, and here we are practicing the box splits, which you can see I find very difficult. It is quite painful. Okay, so now we're doing donkey kicks to help with our scorpions. Walkover. It's hard. Okay, and I am back. I'm all showered now. I have changed. Let me give you a little snippet of that. Well, only really changed my top, to be fair. Wearing the same shorts. Yeah, tried to sort out my hair. Don't really know what's going on. I hope it looks okay, but yeah. So yeah, I've put on a little eyeliner and some mascara, you know, brighten my eyes up a little bit, you know. Want to look cute a bit for you guys, for you. And Molly is actually coming back today, which I'm quite excited about. Natalia has gone out to do a workout, and I am now feeling very hungry, really peckish now. So I think I'm gonna go make a toasty. I make the best toasties, and do you know what? I'm addicted to turkey ham. I'm not like a massive pork eater, so like turkey ham all the way. Yes! Okay, so I like to actually make my toasties on a frying pan. My friend Azana showed me that way and honestly changed my life. I'm not even joking. So let's get into it. Butter, bread. Yes, I keep my bread in the fridge because, you know, lasts longer. And famous turkey ham. Oh, honestly, love of my life. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. Some cheese. Yes, that should be everything. Lovely. Boom. Okay, so I know this seems like super unhealthy. I'm buttering both sides, but trust me, it gives it the pizzazz that it needs. I don't know if you guys do that, but yeah. And I mean, my butter's dairy-free anyway, so, you know, trying to cut out that cow's milk. I just feel healthier anyway, like. I also like to heat up the frying pan just a bit. Lovely. Okay, so once one of them is done, the side that is like most toasted, that's when I'll put like my cheese and turkey ham on. Yeah, you get the gist. I'm running out of cheese. This is so sad. I like a lot of cheese, as you can see. I usually add a lot more, but that'll do. And then I just can't help myself, but. Okay, well, this is problematic. I have no cheese for dinner. Love that for me. Let's try to spread this as much as possible. Lovely. Lovely. So that's all done. Didn't even take too long. Oh my god, my hair. It's bothering me. And of course, real Hellmann's mayonnaise, my absolute favourite, yes. I honestly can't eat anything without it. And if you don't like mayonnaise, just leave. Get out right now. Just get out. Don't even. And I like quite a lot, so yeah. Also, can we please ignore the fact that I am missing a nail? Okay? We're in quarantine. I don't need to be looking good for anyone, so it's fine. Ooh. This is literally heaven. Also, cranberry juice. I'm actually like addicted to cranberry juice. Cranberry juice and turkey ham. What a mix. Oh, and it's my last one. and I just always like, I hate just putting my mouth on glasses. So I'm gonna get my metal straw. And there we go. Perfect. Wow, I am so cringe. I love that for me. Okay guys, so Molly has just come back. I have no idea where she's just run off to. Let me shut my door. But look, she brought me a bike. It's really small, but I'm really small, so, you know, we go with it. I think they've just run off to the boys' house, so I'm just gonna go find them. The boys as in like rugby boys, but yeah, it's freezing cold. Oh my gosh, this was a terrible idea. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly change so I can go for a bike ride because it is actually quite cold outside and I'm now freezing, so yeah. And only if getting changed was that easy. I'm keeping the grey theme going, but I'm not really liking how this jumper looks, so I'm just gonna cut it. Yes, I know I said I was cold, but my arms are covered now, so it's fine. Okay, and here it is. It's cut, it's nice. I am now in leggings and got my shoes on. Molly wants to ride all the way to St Albans, which is the town over from where we are. Pray for me, guys, pray for me. Hi! I feel like I look like, actually look like a pleb.
Half the water's fucking come out.
Oh, I'm sorry. You didn't tell me to watch it. So,
Let's go.
going for a bike ride. The day's taken a weird turn. I'm going to try ride with one hand. Oh, look at me. Check me out riding with one hand. Okay, I can't do it. I'm going I can't ride with one hand. Okay, I've got this. There we go. I'm filming and I'm riding. It's basically a drive with me. More like ride with me. Is in front, leading the way. Oh. Okay, we're staying on the inside. If a car busts around this corner, we're about to die.
That's why you stay on the inside,
Yeah, let's just ignore my hair. I don't even know anymore. But slight change of scenery. 48, that's a lot. Yeah, so slight change, went for the ride, was literally riding for an hour. I am so sore, I am in so much pain. And we're now in Asda doing like some shopping. I like Weetabix, but I'm going for Ready Brett. Yeah. Guys, come on, safety first. Gotta wipe down all the wash it up. Not wash it up. Shopping, I meant.
Yeah, that sounds good. See you on Parents Weekend.
So, what?
Am I in it?
Of course you are. Yeah, I've given up with my hair. I just don't know. My piercing is infected again. So I've got some tea tree oil and I'm gonna plop that on because that helps. So yeah. Lovely.
Before we leave, I wanted to give you a little present. It's actually not a little present. It's probably the best present you're ever gonna get. It's a collection of all the things I've learned. Happen to a human being will happen to you.
I don't even think I put enough. I need to buy rock salt. Act normal, they say. I'm doing this.
If you ask me, sometimes we get so hung up on our differences, we forget the one thing we have in common. When it hurts just like your job.
Ooh.
It hurts like my dad.
Not saying that the God put me to sleep or brush my teeth.
Okay. guys, this has not been an average day of what I'm usually doing. I mean, to be fair, it's always very unexpected. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Bye.